In this story, we will see that how you can know your Gmail account password if you forget in just few steps. So let's dive in. From home page, you have to open Play Store, and here you have to click on this right upper side, your profile, and here you will get this window. Now you have to click on manage your Google account, and here you will get this window. You have to swipe it left, and here you will find security. Tap on that, and in security, if you scroll down, you will find here password. Click on that. After loading, then it will show you this window to use your fingerprint, face or screen lock to know your password. But in your case, if it's not showing this, or if it's showing enter your password windows for you, you can simply click on forget password. Then it will show you this exact window. Now you have to click on try another way, and here it will show you this confirm your screen lock. Click on that and click on continue. Now it will ask you to write your phone password or fingerprint. After that, it will show you this window. Then you have to click on tap yes on your phone or tablet if this email ID is already logged in your device. So you have to click on that, and then you will see this Google confirmed this phone is yours. Click continue, and here you will see this. You have to write new password and confirm this new password here, and click on change password, and that's it. So that's how you can know your Gmail account password if you forgot in just few steps.